Hi, this is Francisco again with another job, another project. Okay, today I'm gonna, let you know or show you how to solder a piece then coming with a special designs and also with it's already like antique finishing. How to solder without losing the color, losing the color, the antique finishing there. Also, the stones, have to be, doesn't have to be heated because can be break. Okay, let me show you how I do. Okay, to be like this again. Give me 1 second. What I do here is I put water, just regular water, and I use some pliers, that one to holding. And then what I do is submerge the most possible of the parts that are with the color and the ring. You see? After that, you wanna use not this kind of torch. You need a very hard torch with a big hole, the big hole. So you just can and before that you just have to put it the solder on the piece. You can use medium solder if you want. Medium silver. This is silver ring. You can use medium silver solder. A little piece. You just cut it. You have to do it before. I'm sorry. I just start from the end. You just accommodate the little thing in between the ring. You accommodate the solder, and then you just put it inside again. Okay. To solder this kind, you have to be very fast because when the water start boiling, they start making the vapors, the water start making vapor, and then it's not gonna give you the chance to solder very good. I mean, it's gonna be more hard when you just have that. You have to use the hard plane, the hardest. Heat a little bit. Have to be the hardest. The more strong flame. And then you just put the liquid, and immediately you want to put it on top. And as soon as it melts, you take it out. The torch. 1, 2, 3. It's welded already. Take some pliers because it's gonna be hot. Get cold. The ring is soldered already. And you don't lose any of the designs or the colors or whatever. So you just make a touch up, finishing here, polishing, and the ring is done. Okay? So you can see also the inside. Okay? So this way, with the water works either for the gold and with the very sensitive stones. So you just put it in cold water and then melt it as soon as possible with a hard fire, and then you're gonna have this work. I mean, it's gonna be easy for you. Instead, solder and then lose the color. You have to paint it again, and you're gonna lose time and money. Okay. All right. So hope this helping you to do your job easy. And if you like my videos, just subscribe and give a thumbs up, okay? To the next one. See you. Bye.